Hey, what's up there, crew? Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. In this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to use our TRW Halloween super font in a software like Silhouette Designer Edition to make some pretty cool looking designs with just an actual font. So this is the font right here, our TRW Halloween super font. So let's head over to our designer edition. I'm actually using the business edition here, and this is what we want to end up at, some type of design like this. But you have to do some different things with modifies and subtracts and offsets and different things like that. So I want to show you how to do all of that stuff. So let's go ahead and get rid of this one here. So I'm just going to highlight all of these and get rid of that. We're going to start from scratch. So I'm going to come over here, and from my text, I have the TRW Halloween font, and I'm just going to type out spooky. So when I type out spooky here, you're going to see that it has all of these different clip art built into each of the letters. But what's really cool about this is you have alternate letters as well. So what I mean by that is I come over here to these O's. I'm going to highlight both of the O's. I'm going to come right up here to this kind of scripty looking A, and those are all of your alternate characters. So you can see if you just want to throw a spider web on there, or the hat on there, or a bat just to put around the design, that's super simple to do as well. But I'm going to actually scroll down and I'm going to try and find my different O's. So it's a little bit more difficult in the Silhouette software than the Wizard, because all of your alternates are right below, like you've seen in the video with the CorelDRAW and the TRW Design Wizard, but still pretty simple. The O with the web in it is right here. I'm just going to click on that, click on it again, and there's my two O's. Now for the K, I want to add the K where it has the ghost. So again, I'm just going to scroll through the side right here. I'm going to find my K with the ghost. And there's my K with the ghost. I'll click on that, and now I have my ghost in there. And then the last one I want to change is the P that has the pumpkin right now. We're going to use the P with the hat on top. And I'll click on the P right here that has the witch's hat on top. Now, we still have some work because you can see we got some different overlaps and layers in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off the start here. I can right click, and then I'm just going to ungroup it all. So now all of the letters are by themselves. Control Z to go back. I'm going to take the K here, and with the K I'm going to come over to my panels, and I'm going to go to my offset panel. I'm just going to click on offset, and then I'm just going to adjust this offset to where it pretty much matches. So I'm looking at it probably right about there, 0.45. Looks pretty good, right? And then with that 0.45, I need to take it out of this O right here. So I'm going to click on that O. I'm going to go to my panels. And this time I'm going to go to my modify panel. All right. And I'm going to subtract. When I click subtract, you can see it subtracted that out right there. So that's a cut ready file there. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the P. Okay. So over to my panels, and you can do it from the shortcuts over here. I just like to show you where I'm actually getting these from. So I got my offset. We're going to do an offset, and I'm going to do probably the same 0.045 we know was a good one, right? And then I'm going to shift click onto the S, and then I'm going to go to modify, and I'm going to subtract. And there we go. Our design's ready to go now. So pretty cool, pretty easy way. And like I said, how you can add just different characters and add-on characters. If I come over to my text here and I go to my alternates, let's just say I wanted to add a bat. I can just click there and it added a bat. And now I can just make this bat a little bit bigger, and I can have a bat flying there. Maybe I want to Control C and Control V, and I want another bat flying over here, or I want to rotate this bat a little bit, and I can click there. Let's rotate them, and let's have the bat flying up in this area. And there you go. So a lot of you have had questions as far as different ways to be able to use this font in your designer edition or all your different softwares out there, but I wanted to show you This is a pretty awesome looking design right here that we can easily sell using our glitter heat transfer vinyls. We could do it into a decal, whatever you want. And then over here on our page, you'll see a couple different examples, how I just threw the big web behind the word spooky there. I typed out Happy Halloween, switched out some of the different characters, and very, very simple, just with the font, to create a pretty cool design with this exclusive font from the rhinestoneworld.com. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helped you out. Please comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this helped you out as far as using this font. And if you have any questions, shoot us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. You guys have a wonderful day. Later.